Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, I got this new Razer green LED keyboard. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's easy to install. You got this box, and in this one more box, and then you will find where it laid there. The keyboard is in here, yes. And you got some stickers, the Razer stickers, pretty cool. And then the instruction manual. Yeah, I have already got it done, and this is the finish. Yeah, it works pretty good, man. And it's just to set a USB cable in the computer. Then your keyboard is already good. Yeah. So you can see all the keys working. It's a pretty good one they have made here. I would say it's maybe the best, if I should say so. But yeah, and you got the logo. Yeah, now you can see it. It's pretty nice. And you got a pause break button. Yeah, there it was. And it was that and all the other buttons. You know that from another keyboard. And if you want to see more videos like this unboxing, I know I have not unboxed it completely, but nearly. Then you're gonna sub. You need to sub my channel. And please rate this video, because I really wanna know how you feel about my videos. You're not gonna rate like, oh, that's some shit, man. I don't like that. Only a positive, or if you got some negative, but don't some shit. I don't want that. Yeah. But please like my video, rate it, or sub my channel. Thanks, guys.